easy on.
So we're in Lowe's trying to put this together.
Yeah. It's fine.
Yes. Is that the only one? There's one right there.
There's a couple different ones. You need the combination. So that's the difference is this one is 20 40 circuits, 20 whatever that is. I don't think we need that many. That's pretty excessive. This is 8 spaces, 16 circuits. That should definitely be more than enough.
Yeah, 8 spaces, 16 circuits. That should be enough.
Yeah.
And now we just gotta find the breakers.
Yeah.
What you say now?
We need a 50 amp breaker for the RV.
I don't. Yeah, about 30, 230s maybe.
Well, what are we gonna connect?
In case we need to run power tools or anything else.
Okay.
I'm not sure if the RV cord is gonna make it all the way over there.
Circuit breaker.
So yeah.
Okay, so we got the combination. That's the meter box and the panel. We got the ground rod. We got the conduit. We got the riser conduit straps. Yes.
And we need to we're going off of a diagram that's online. Now we just need to get all the wire.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Yeah.
200 amp. What the heck? We need phase conductors. We need the 2-inch conduit. We got the number 4 ground wire. And then phase conductors is 3/0 and 250.
I have no clue what I'm doing when it comes to this. We might need to call somebody to help us get wire out though.
Yeah, this is fucked up.
All the wires locked up over here at Lowe's. So we don't know what we're doing. We're clueless, but we're getting our stuff, I guess. We didn't get the wire. The guy at Lowe's was definitely not helpful at all.
Literally at all.
Literally.
Not helpful.
Not helpful at all. So the last guy that we talked to when we was in Lowe's, he was helpful. He helped us out. This guy, no. But we're checking out right now. Sasha is probably freaking out in the car. So right at about 569.
Yeah.
Huh?
And that's without wire. Well, I mean, that's kind of what we expected. It was about 600. We just need the wire, so.
Wire and the wood. Oh, we made it out here today. We're not really doing a project today. That tree was enough yesterday. Kind of got my back tight a little bit. Why the fence moving like that? Were you touching it? No. Or is he touching it?
He was just like showing close to me.
Had to pick the kids up today.
He got so close to me. He was like this close to me.
Yeah, he's starting to sink in now and become himself out here. What we want to see on the old homestead.
Oh.
Say hey, Trey. Good thing she got a tough noggin. He done bopped the girl upside the head with the. Not bopped her, but hit her. It hit her. She didn't cry, so it must not have hurt. But let's get these pigs fed.
Yay! I love feeding the piggies.
until we can get all the chickens up.
The lake is like, what, 30 minutes away? 20.
Like 20 minutes away. Take them buckets up there to the top, Lala.
All right, Scooby.
Look, take that one too. You should be able to take both of them. Scooby. 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 He's still kind of. Scooby. Here, boy. Here, boy. Here, boy. Here, boy.
Come here.
Get you something. Oh, they don't. Not them. They don't care.
Oh, my God. What, Lola? I will see my hand.
Hey, hey. Y'all getting big. Hey. It's the poo.
Dang. They have their own poop corner.
Well, that's mud too.
Yeah, mud and poop. Is it off?
No, it's not off. Them things would be running all over the place if it was off. They getting big.
Want me to bring these back down there?
You ain't gonna be able to just get in there with them pigs in a little bit. They're gonna be too big. They'll run you over. Hopefully they stay lean though, because they're getting a lot of exercise. So
Scooby's so tiny.
yeah, these pigs getting a lot of exercise. That should definitely hold y'all till I see y'all in the morning. He gonna tip his bowl over. Ah, I said, hold on, you started too early. All right, let's see what you got. And go. What in the world? I need to move that stuff anyway.
I didn't do it right. Oh, God.
Yeah, look at you, look at you. All right, come on. Let's see what you got. No, I'm good. Go ahead. I got it. Trust me. I told you to trust me. You didn't trust me.
Okay.
Nastiest cameraman in the land. I got you. See? I told you, dog. I told you. All the grass that's growing from when I cut down all the trees, and now it got sunlight, and now the grass is growing.
Are we gonna cut?
What you say? Hey, what you say, Lala? You got carrots growing?
Yeah, guys, remember when I planted some carrots? They're growing all right here. There's two.
I think you planted them too close, baby. We're gonna have to we're gonna have to pull them apart a little bit.
Right now?
No, not right now. When they get a little bit bigger.
What do you? Oh,
She had planted some carrots and something else. What you planting right here? You got something going right here too.
All of them are carrots.
All of them?
Yeah.
Jeez. Well, you got some carrots, y'all. You got a little green thumb.
Whoa. That's bad.
Ava, what you gotta say for yourself? Don't hit that dog. Well, I'm out here just vibing out with the kids today. Tomorrow, we'll be working. I gotta take Lala to a softball game first. Then Amber parents are coming so her dad can help me wire up this breaker box. And let's go and look to where I'm going to be putting this breaker box at. I ain't scoped that out, so let's scope that out real quick. I got a couple of trees I'm going to have to cut down over here tomorrow. All right, so we got to be 15 feet from that pole. It's pretty even up in here. Not even, but pretty broke down. I just need to cut a little bit. I think the dogs be pooping over here because I daggone sure can smell it. Holy cow. But yeah, 15 feet from over there. And then it can't be touching at the top. So I'm gonna have to clear out some of this stuff. Probably knock down a couple of trees just to open it up. And yeah, 15 feet from there. 15 feet from there, y'all. That's gonna put us over here somewhere. I'm just hoping, I'm literally just hoping that there is no rock right here. That's my main concern, is having to dig in rock. That is my only concern, because look at how big these rocks are. And we got a couple of those. These I haven't uncovered yet, but there's some right there too that hasn't been uncovered yet. I want to come through and wipe this all the way out too as well. I could maybe build something else back here. Cause look, I could literally wipe this all out and over here, cause the shed is over there. So I could just keep it coming straight and wipe these out right here. And we can have another spot for something else. Another destination. Shed, something. What are you doing, Mr. Roo? Mr. Roo? Now that's a rooster. And he can cluck too. And there's a rooster. Oh man. Then tomorrow, I might work on clearing that path out. Start digging a hole, measure the 15 feet. Start digging a hole because it's supposed to be 4 feet deep. We tried to pull the permit today, but nobody was answering the phone. So yeah. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. This is considered a rest day, pretty much. Taking care of the kids, going to get the kids. And tomorrow we back at it, y'all. So appreciate y'all for watching. Wasn't much to it. We went and gathered all our materials. We couldn't figure out the wire, so her dad went and got the wire for us. So there's that. But man, we doing it. We doing it, y'all. We doing it. We doing it. We doing it. Thank you to you guys for subscribing and encouraging us, for sure. Without y'all, sometimes, man, y'all keep us going. You feel me? So, hey, love, peace, and happiness. Bye.